our performance, I would like to say a few words about legendary playback singer S.Janaki. S.Janaki, formerly known as the Nightingale of South India, is one of India's most celebrated playback singers. She has sung thousands of songs in Kannada, Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam and Hindi and other several languages. Her melodious voice, versatility and expressive singing have earned her numerous and state-level awards, as well as the love of millions of music lovers. The song we are about to present carries a powerful message that inspires us to work hard, achieve something meaningful in our life, and leave behind a good legacy. Now please enjoy our performance.